Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm your iPhone is updated so you have the latest emoji options, then open Messages or another app that accepts emoji. Tap the text field to bring up the keyboard. If you don't see emoji, tap the globe or smiley key to switch keyboards. Once the emoji keyboard is visible, scroll to the emoji you want to edit. This first step gets you into the right interface quickly so you can change color choices next. Now choose the emoji that supports skin tones or color variants. Press and hold firmly on that emoji until a pop-up palette appears with available tones and colors. Once the palette is up, slide your finger to the tone you want and release to insert it. If you want that tone to appear in your frequently used list, repeat the selection a couple times. The keyboard learns and updates defaults. This is the core action. Press, hold, slide, and release to set your preferred emoji color. Finish by sending the emoji in a message or saving it to a note so you can confirm the selected color persisted. If pressing and holding produced no options, go to Settings General Keyboard and ensure the emoji keyboard is enabled. This restores the palette. If the keyboard still misbehaves, close and reopen the app or restart the iPhone to clear temporary glitches. One troubleshooting tip. Force close and reopen the keyboard if variants don't appear immediately. Then try the press and hold again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.